So, a holiday video. It's a planned video. When you see this, we are having our family vacation, summer vacation. So, we made a few small shorts for this period of time. And I am in Bleak Beach right now. And I want to show you up close what you can do with your trees, hedges and flowers and grass. I am looking if I have more trees somewhere. I have hedges I see here that need to grow, and I have also white flowers here, and I have one tree here. I am going to see if I can have a grow Pokemon follow me around, and I do want to have a palm tree. Oh, I get a Pokemon in between. I hope that you... Oh, and Kioch is here. So he came very close by this time. Hello, guy. I am going to say hello to him. I'm sorry that will make the video a little bit longer, but it's nice. He's nice. And I have absolutely no idea what he wants from me right now. And I'm just going to talk to him and then... Yes, I am interested in your rambling. And you're not old. And I don't know what kind of habitat he wants. I really have no clue. And I can swim through him. Kiss him. Yeah. Hello. And there is a new Pokemon here. So I do want to do that. This habitat is already a few videos old. And he is a water Pokemon and a trading Pokemon. And I love Lapras as well. But I don't know. I need to take time to really dig into the comfort level of Lapras. But that's actually not what I wanted to do today. I wanted to show you how you can use your hedges, flowers and trees. So the water, and there's another one, and trade. So for now, welcome, but I am going on a tree hunt. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Sorry, but I do want to have my... We also need to go to the museum at one point. It might also be a nice short. Wait, I want a palm tree. And I want to save palm tree that is not going to be too much mist. The palm tree will not be right away big because I don't have maximum ice yet. So I have the palm tree. And I want to decorate more or less the space. This is also a space that I decorated. I maybe need to step there. I am going to take this one as well. Oh, I had palm trees there. So I am going to take that one as well. Okay. This still needs to be done. I'm not going to do that right now. I want to do this. Do I have grass? No, I don't. So I am going to pick up grass blocks. And maybe it's wise to use some steak. It makes me stronger. I don't really need the strength for these blocks, but I need blocks for under that house. I don't know if I have enough. It should be enough. I'm going to demolish this because I'm never going to use this house. I did in one of my other games replace this house, but oh, it's not in a spot that I think it's very social. And I don't use a mouse, so I am doing everything by hand. I don't have Mechamite. I have less control over rollout than I do over boxing. So for these small things I use just boxing. And you can go 4 high, because what you can do is you can go above your head and take out some of those. Pick some stuff up for trading. Why not? So the bigger height, I'm gonna use some blocks, some ground blocks that are easily pulverized. Now, I had an itch in my eye. Even kijken. Maybe one more. Because then I can jump on. Take out what I can take out. And flush it down. The water will flow. Maybe it's not so wise to take away the tiles there. So I will plant that back. Oh, that's because I ate a steak. And the floor is not that solid because it's sand. They put sand underneath this house. This side now I can't aim anymore apparently. So you don't need to do all this kind of work if you want to decorate my style somewhere, and it's inspired by other players, so it's not my own idea. And there are a lot of players that use this, and I found it very a genius type of building, decorating with plants, with the flowers, the tall grass and stuff like that. So I put these blocks back. I still have blocks that apparently... Okay, I am going to build a small wall. 3 blocks. 3 blocks. So that's a small wall. So that's already a layer. I am going to put my peach tree, Persia berry on there. is that one? So that is a full grown one. Now I am going to put, there's already a grass here. So I am going to put a palm tree there. So that's a second, it's 2 layers down where I put the palm tree. Then I pick up my grass blocks again. I'm going to fill this in. You only need 1 opening. I can make 2, it's not a big deal. But I can't make it on sand. At least I don't think so. Palm tree maybe, but a tree not. Yeah, the palm tree will go. I hope I have enough blocks. I don't. Want my blocks are already off. So I need more grass blocks. I'm going to pick them up here. I can pick up grass blocks from a dream island. I hope I have enough now. Apparently it's a big spot. So I have from the mountain, the little hill, till the palm trees, I have 2 blocks down in the ground. And palm trees don't grow right now, but they will go flow over the floor, and the peach tree, the peach tree is going to stand out. Now I still have a chesto seed tree, and I am going to put that one here. So that's 1 block. From the little hill, I have the top, I have the pisha tree, the chesto tree, 2 palm trees on the side. Now I will do my hedges, because the primary color is mostly pinkish, because also the chesto tree is blue, but it has another color. So I'm starting out with the hedges to build up some dimension. So the hedge is another dimension. And they're all pinkish. So then I will go with the pink grass. It comes from Sparkling Skylands. That's a little bit higher. Again, not going to put one there, but I can put one here. And then I will do the flowers. I have wildflowers, they come from Withering Wasteland. I'm going to go a little bit outside here because the bowl of the tree will overflow. So that one hedge will be mostly under the bowl. And that's also the case with, I want to break up also the flower because I also have white flowers. And I think I need to place this one out. Because I think they're too close by. To the trees. I think this one should go here. This one should go here. I can put one here. I can put one in the back. here. And I still have other flowers. I can put hedges still around. To hide a little bit the mountain. And now it needs to grow in. And it will give a nice park. A little park. That's how I decorate small pieces. So this is how I do things with trees and flowers. I think I moved the... I need to see because I think I moved the tree and I need to put that back because I didn't want to move the tree. Where did I put the tree? Yeah, okay, this one needs to go back. And then we see how much is there because I moved that one. So that's how I go around putting small parks with different heights of trees very close to each other and try to decorate flowers and tall grass. I hope you liked it and I hope it's a nice short for the holidays. Bye bye!